Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier. Top Best Portable Electric Kettle Reviews 2026. New MIJIA Portable Electric Kettle offers fast boiling, smart temperature control, 350 ml capacity, insulated thermos design, travel-friendly, 110V, 240V compatibility, lightweight build, safe auto shutoff, stylish modern appearance, perfect for tea, coffee, office, or travel convenience daily, ensuring user satisfaction and energy efficiency, always guaranteed performance. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.